Automate your operations with Tigerpak's TPX-30 automatic pallet wrapping machine. Install the machine film roll onto the spindle holder and open the carriage door. Guide the film through the roller and close the door. First panel is for program selection. Second is for parameter adjustment. Third panel is for manual mode. And fourth panel is for reset and lock. The final panel has a start and stop buttons. There is also emergency stop and power isolation switch. Place your pallet carefully on the turntable. And tie the film onto the pallet base. Press the start button to begin the wrapping cycle. The TPX-30 starts the wrapping process. The carriage travels up and down while wrapping, automatically detecting your pallet's height. At completion of the cycle, the TPX-30 cuts the film automatically. Take your automation to the next level with Tigerpak's TPX-30.